So weird, but you guys love me anyway. Oh, hello there, my lovely stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So today I wanted to talk about beauty. My take on beauty is that everything is beautiful. Everyone is beautiful in their own special way. Not everyone is going to see that beauty, but I'm sure for a fact that each and every one of us is beautiful in our own little special way. And that is because, for me, I believe, I believe in God, and I believe that we were all made in the image of God. He did say He made us in His own image, and He wouldn't make anything that He cannot be proud of, that He does not feel is perfect, that He does not feel is beautiful enough. I personally feel like, it's unfortunate that we live in a society right now that is so brainwashed into believing that there's a certain kind of beautiful. We look at the magazine covers and we see these supposedly perfect models that, sorry to burst your bubble, have all had their pictures edited and photoshopped and airbrushed. Like, not all of them look like that. And it's sad that we live in a society that makes us believe that that is what is beautiful. That if I don't have my makeup on, I am not beautiful enough. I don't use makeup because I don't feel beautiful enough. I use makeup because I like the way it makes, I like the way it looks. And I like to play with makeup, and it's just, but I could totally take this makeup off and still look in the mirror and be like, I'm gorgeous, I'm beautiful. And I'm not saying that to be arrogant or anything, but when it comes to beauty, it comes from the inside. You have to believe that indeed you are beautiful. And if that means you telling yourself that, you have to speak things into existence. I believe in the power of the tongue. I believe that you can certainly speak positivity into your life. If you continue talking about things that are positive and you continue telling yourself that you're beautiful, you're worthy, you're good enough, you will believe it and you will feel it. And yeah, like, beauty is something that comes from the inside out. No person can ever tell you that you're not pretty enough, because God looks at you and is like, good grief, now that's one good looking person. So remember that, keep that in mind. Don't look at the magazine covers and envy those people. You are beautiful in your own special way, and that's all that matters. Confucius once said, everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. That is so true, and always remember that. Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for more videos. Feel free to leave a comment and let me know what your take on this video is and what other topics you might want me to cover in my future videos. And if you don't know, I have a vlog channel. I used to post my vlogs on this channel, but I decided to just strip that away and make a separate channel for my vlogs. And so yeah, check out my vlog channel if you haven't. The link is in the description box below. All my social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, they're all in the description box. And yeah, so check those out as well. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.